Hey everyone, Fatty from Pack Punch Traders here. Going to do a quick video going over the multi-day bounce once more. We just have them so much recently. We got a couple today. KSPN. This was a nice play for me here. Oops, let's zoom out here. Um, yeah, so we got the great push from 2.5 to just over 7. Decent fade, not the volume I typically like out of plays like these, but might be why the play might have been so short-lived and just not that strong of a move. Pretty strong. Ended up pushing to low fours from being in the low threes, so pretty solid move. Just never really held up or anything. Sometimes you see a strong multi-day bounce. It's holding up near the highs for a little bit before it dies. Maybe has a couple fake outs or whatnot. But this thing just spiked and came right back down. So was a little sus there. Almost makes me consider, shorts are still in control. Maybe later on this could be another multi-day bounce. But took this here when it came back. Alert got set. I had an alert, and then it went off. And in this consolidation here, as it was holding right around the mid threes, I figured it was gonna get the momentum it needs to break through. As you know, we are finally getting some decent volume compared to what it's been doing, and a solid push off the lows, coming back to new highs. That's exactly what we look for, that momentum shift. As you see here, I put that momentum shift signal and ideal entry. So here in the mid threes would be a great entry. You got a confirmation, and from there, so actually you could see how concerning it is. You got this quick push, pretty low volume, not much behind it. So here we are analyzing it, and I'm looking at it like, damn, I'm lucky actually. Not the best play, but nonetheless, it was a pattern. Made a decent penny on it. But 352 average here when it was consolidating, and yeah, I gotta admit, I wasn't paying enough attention to the volume. I was really just looking at the price, which is not that good to do. You could get faked out easily that way. You got to combine the price action and the volume, and would have probably sold into this. But I wanted the mid fours. I thought it could get to the mid fours, and when we held here, we started bouncing back, and we got a quick move, and that was when I looked at the volume because I wanted to see how it would react to that high day, and I noticed that, as you can see as well, not much volume behind that move. So sellers end up coming through, buyers weren't there to push it even higher, and it just got shut down immediately. Got lucky with my exit at 419. Arrow's kind of off. Um, but yeah, 419 exit when it was coming down, quick market order. So got lucky there. But yeah, overall kind of a lucky play now I'm looking at it. But hey, I'll take some luck. Never hurt anybody. But at the same time, let's acknowledge that I did do some mistakes, not paying attention too much on the volume. But overall, the pattern worked out, and I do think the reason it didn't push higher, really, as you can see, the volume. No shorts really to fuel this play, and that's why it seemed like it was a short lived play. The other move, MTC, this was another multi day bounce that I had completely missed. Um, didn't put this on my alert, so I never saw any of this, but would be very hard to time. It just ripped right through and got shut down immediately. Let's see the volume. Eh, this one had some volume to it. But once more, we got shorts taken over. Makes me think maybe if this could end up keep continuing to hold at some level, we could get a serious bounce out of this. But right now, just gonna ignore this. Nothing ideal, but just gonna probably put some alerts in the mornings wherever that morning high is. Um, but yeah, so that's a multi-day bounce as usual. Just looking for that high day break, and I think KSPN is a great example out of it. That's why this is the best entry. You get that momentum shift. It's pretty clear, especially when the volume is there. Um, but yeah, so instead of just rambling, I think I'll just leave it at that. Recently, we have had a lot of killer plays in the past couple weeks, and now they're all hitting that backside move and trying to bottom out and looking for bounces. So for the next couple of days, probably the rest of the week, until they all die out, probably will be focusing on multi-day bounces, unless something new pops up on the scanners in the morning. Um, but yeah, we'll just leave it at that. It's a great pattern. Hope this is useful to anybody. Give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. I already got the watch list out there on Twitter, Pack a Punch Traders, and I also posted the review of the top plays on here on YouTube if you want to check that out as well. So let's get some rest and kill it tomorrow. Have a great one, y'all.